Volunteering at an animal shelter.
Did you volunteer at the animal shelter yesterday?
Yes, I volunteered for a few hours.
That's great! What did you do there?
I helped clean the kennels and feed the dogs.
That must have been rewarding.
It really was.
Volunteering at a food bank.
Did you volunteer at the food bank last weekend?
Yes, I volunteered on Saturday morning.
What was it like?
It was busy, but I loved helping people in need.
That's amazing. Will you go again?
Definitely.
Volunteering for a charity run.
Did you volunteer for the charity run?
No, I didn't volunteer this year.
Why not? You usually help out.
I was too busy with work.
That's understandable. Maybe next year?
For sure.
Volunteering at a school.
Did you volunteer to help at your child's school?
Yes, I volunteered to organise the book fair.
That's wonderful. Did the kids enjoy it?
They did. It was a huge success.
Great job, you must be proud.
I am.
Volunteering abroad.
Did you volunteer abroad last summer?
Yes, I volunteered in a small village in Africa.
What did you do there?
I taught English to children.
That's incredible. How was the experience?
Life-changing.
Volunteering for an event.
Did you volunteer for the community festival?
Yes, I volunteered to help set up the stalls.
That's hard work. Did you enjoy it?
I did. It was great seeing everyone come together.
That's the spirit of community.
Exactly.
Volunteering for disaster relief.
Did you volunteer to help after the flood?
Yes, I volunteered with the relief organisation.
That's amazing. What did you do?
I helped distribute food and water to families.
You're making such a difference.
I hope so.
Volunteering at a hospital.
Did you volunteer at the hospital last week?
Yes, I volunteered in the children's ward.
That must have been emotional.
It was, but seeing the kids smile made it worth it.
You're doing such meaningful work.
Thank you.
Volunteering to clean a beach.
Did you volunteer to clean the beach on Sunday?
Yes, I volunteered with a local group.
How much trash did you collect?
A lot. It was shocking to see.
That's sad, but good work.
Thanks.
Volunteering for a soup kitchen.
Did you volunteer at the soup kitchen this week?
No, I didn't volunteer this week.
Why not?
I wasn't feeling well, but I'll go next time.
Take care of yourself first.
I will, thanks.
Volunteering for a wildlife project.
Did you volunteer for the wildlife project?
Yes, I volunteered to help track the turtles.
That sounds amazing. Did you see any?
Yes, and it was incredible.
I'd love to do something like that.
You should try it.
Volunteering at a library.
Did you volunteer at the library last month?
Yes, I volunteered to organise the books.
That sounds fun. Did you find any interesting ones?
A few, and I borrowed some too.
That's a great way to spend time.
It really is.
Volunteering for an animal rescue.
Did you volunteer at the Animal Rescue Centre?
No, I didn't volunteer this time.
That's too bad. The animals need help.
I know, I'll go next weekend.
Good. They'll appreciate it.
I hope so.
Volunteering at a charity shop.
Did you volunteer at the charity shop yesterday?
Yes, I volunteered for the morning shift.
Was it busy?
Very. People kept coming in to donate items.
That's great. The shop must be doing well.
It is, thanks to the community.